what choko. And mama say we are phone. Mami do fear na me frɛ why? Wait. Ah.
Come on, Ami. Come pull on your pure. Yan I really I can talk or July so your beer. Well, like a beer, I do a beer. Come on, Abba. Foolish boy. Hold it. Hold the kind of show. Pull on your pure. Yan I really become a can talk or beer. I got what July so your beer. Foolish. I'm an abona go. Yan here your foot, man. Aula. Your phone in.
Mpacho minti ukasa no.
Oh, asuma we to call e ansom. Me pache se enye phone ni.
Mpacho me dasi
nyame shira. Yandasi. Na wo fi.
Me free offense so.
Oh. Wo ye Kumasi ni?
Mpacho ai.
Oh, me come fi konongo. Eh. O se na me nua ba no.
Oh, awo fa me dasi.
Yandasi. Na wo pese wan wa. O de ji de o.
Me sister penyin na wa wo na. Me say mba nti.
Ya mtu sana mkacho mi fi konongo na nkran hanu mse na mabetra nti meti nkran kasa no.
O fa konongo e river side.
Oh, we udu konongo a. Won. Who say bus stop na wo no. Onu ma na meti.
Me be black share.
Oh, na black share do say me nia.
You won fight.
Me nia.
Oh, me dey big. Oh, okay.
Ja na be sem. Ati.
Oh, na me dance.
Yeah, ndasi. Ba ya na o hwe unti.
Ati.
Ufo ukra phone na ya ma phone ni so kotoko.
In case you are watching us, we are trying to shoot a short skit promoting Chorkor. You know, there's a lot of perception about the community itself. So we're using Chorkor Youth TV to promote, just to make people have a different perception about Chorkor. So today we are shooting a short skit of a lady who just came from Kumasi. And unfortunately for her, she got robbed. But the rest of the story follows. But I want to introduce the crew to you. And we have our beautiful Oblayone Biachole Justina.
Yeah.
And then also we have Wakiki, Bomba, another character, Bajipo, Bachombi. Many like a concept, so Fontaine. Pure Fontaine. When I get Fontaine, I get comedians here. It's a fancy. Alumni. Oh, yeah. Actually, Wakiki, aka Yolo.
Yeah.
Efita crew, he's part of the crew members, and he's also going to be the hero of the day.
Yeah.
And then we have our another man. He's also Joshua. Leon. And you can see that all these people are not Gans, but they can still speak the Gan language. And then we also have Willie. He's also the behind the scene guy. And also we have assistant director. Wow. His name is Lord Alonte Ao. Yeah, Lord Alonte, pure Ghanaian. So these are the people we are working with, and I hope you guys will enjoy. Try our best to bring more skits to just promote this community. And they are all living in their community. So be expecting more from us, and go and check our Facebook and our YouTube channel, Chorkor Youth TV, and subscribe and enjoy our video.
Subscribe.
Oh, you're not going to buy you.
Oh, that be no. You no could be another.
Oh, no.
Subscribe.
Backstage. All right, man. Yeah, Rado. Bye bye.